What's the meaning of antebellum? Antebellum. 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 Antebellum.
Antebellum refers to a period of time before a war, especially the American Civil War. The word comes from Latin and literally means, before the war. During the antebellum period in the United States, there were significant social, economic, and political changes taking place, including debates over slavery, states' rights, and the role of the federal government. This period is often remembered as a time of division and tension, and it ultimately culminated in the outbreak of the Civil War in 1861.